Okay, in exercise 3, we're going to import the Excel file. Yeah, get the data. After that, choose the Excel file. Choose the country population by year Excel file. And then we're going to see one single worksheet in this Excel file. Select the worksheet and then click edit. Yeah. Then it will open the query editor. After that, we're going to name this query as the country population. Yeah. After that, we're going to import the data, but because the first 3 rows are title, yeah, less structure, then we specify 3 rows will be deleted. Yeah. And then after that, we're going to specify the first row as the header of the column, and then we just browse to explore the data. We're going to change some column. Yeah. So click the transform, and then after that we're going to change. Yeah. Okay. And then after that, in the attribute here, yeah, you're going to rename the attribute column name to be year, and then for the value, you're going to rename the column as the population. Okay. Yeah. Then yeah, so in the year, we're going to exclude the 1999. And then for this year column, yeah, you're going to change the date to the whole number, yeah, numeric. And then ready, close and applying the query. So you will see here, yeah, we have 3 columns. Yeah. And then after that, we save this result, yeah, in the PBIX file. Yeah. The Power BI extension is the PBIX. And then you can see that the query just now that we created, we have the 15 rows